Ito po yung Mogones Teos, the only begotten son of the bomber Papa Ray. Ayan mga kababayan, no? Ayan. Punta po tayo sa Quaran Caves. Ang Quaran Caves is a series of caves found around the archaeological site of Qumran in the Judean deserts of West Bank. Ayan. Ito naman po ang Earthen Jar. Ayan. Earthen jar were discovered at Quaran site by archaeologists from 1947-1956. Hi! At ito naman ang Isaiah Scroll. Yan, the oldest, most complete manuscript copied about 1000 BC found sealed in jar in one of the Quaran caves in 1947. Ayan po yun, no, mga kababayan, no. Next is the King Hezekiah Tunnel. Ayan. Ito po yung kay King Hezekiah Tunnel. Napakagusay po, oh. Ayan. Ito yung tunnel na dinaanan ni King Hezekiah, also known as Siloam Tunnel. It is 1917-49 foot long water. Ayan. That was cut through solid rock over 2,700 years ago. Ayan, tingnan nyo po siya, oh. Ang ganda, oh. Live na alive po yan, oh. Ayan. And this is the Moabite stone. Ayan. Yan, Moabite stone. Yan. Ganda, oh. Moabite stone, a basalt stone bearing an inscription by King Mesha, which was discovered at Devon by Klein and German missionary at Jerusalem. Yan, glory to God. Taylor Prism of Sennacherib hexagonal prism. Ayan, ang ganda po. Ay, grabe. Ang ganda. Yan. Ipui Papyrus. This is the ancient Egyptian hieratic papyrus made during the 19th dynasty of Egypt and now held in the Dutch National Museum Antiquities Leiden in Netherlands. Yan. Matatagpuan po itong papyrus na to sa Netherlands. And next, 52 fragment Gospel of John. Ayan. Ayan po. Diyan sinulat yung Gospel of John. 52 fragment the Gospel of John. The most ancient New Testament discovered so far in the Gospel of John. That date back of 150 AD. Fragment are now in John Ryland Library in Manchester, England. Yan. At ito po ang tinatawag na Jordan River. Ganda po, ayan. Grabe, ang ganda. Jordan River. Dito binaptize si Jesus Christ sa Jordan River. Jordan River, Jesus Christ of Galilee to Jordan to John to be baptized of him in Matthew chapter 3 verse 13. Yan po, the largest and longest river in Israel. And that is the most famous river in the world. Its name was derived from the Hebrew word Jordan, which means descender. Ganda po, oh. Grabe, parang buhay na buhay yung pagkakapit, no? Ang galing. Ito pa, gawa, ingatan ninyo ang iyong sarili at ang buong kawan na ang kanilang ginawa kayo sa Espiritu Santo ng mga obispo upang pakanin ninyo ang iglesia ng Diyos na binili niya ng kanyang sariling dugo. And this is the Sea of Galilee. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Grabe, oh, ang ganda ng Sea of Galilee. Yan, Sea of Galilee, a freshwater lake in Israel through which the Jordan River flows. Oh, ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda ng Sea of Galilee. Grabe, Augustus Caesar and Tiberius Caesar. Ito naman. Yan, plate stone. The 2 coins. Europei Ragus. And syempre, narito si Kuya Eli. Ayan siya, Eli. Sa bandang kaliwa at si Brother Daniel Razon. Thank you. Thank you for sharing, for watching the video. Hi, this is Pastor Abusela.